we could assume...
May pages na blanco.
May pages na blanco. We could assume that when it reached the office of the President, may items na yun.
May amount na.
Mayroon na, may amount na. Yung enrolled bill na dumating sa office of the may amount na.
Correct. Which later on he signed. The President signed.
After the review. Kasi nag-request siya ng extension, di ba? Nag-move na yung signing kasi i-review doon niya.
Now, Congressman Sid, with this development now, we found out that the bicameral report was there were items na blanco but napirmahan na. What could be the implication on this in this particular matter, especially to the office of the President?
Actually, the budget is highly questionable. Kung akong tatanungin, akit na yan dapat sa Supreme Court kasi napirmahan na ng Presidente.
Sid, matanong kita, when would be the earliest event that could discover this kind of...
Actually, Mayor President, I was studying, gumagawa ko ng paper. Yung part 1, binigay ko na kay Attorney Vic. Marami na akong binigyan. Yung mga kaibigan ko na mga advocates doon, health advocates, pinadagyan sa part 1. While I was making part 2, in fact, I have a meeting last week dapat kay Attorney, bago lang yan, a few days ago, kay Attorney Vic sa kay Peter Lavinia. Nung yun, ibas ko. Nakita ko, all of a sudden, na-remember ko yung Bicameral Conference Committee report. Kasi gaa-gaa lang tayo unconstitutional, yung education budget, talampasan ng DPWH. And I reviewed the PhilHealth budget. Sabi ko, tingnan ko kayo yung Bicam report. Tingnan ko yung Bicam report because I want to know kung ano ba yung ginawa nila. Na-shock ako nung nakita ko. Pag open ko sa Bicam report, naku, may mga blanco. So, isa-isa ko. So, I made my study now. Ito na yung ginawa ko, Mr. President, na mga 3 or 4 days ago, nakita ko.
It behoves upon you to call the attention of the public. And lahat na, President, pati lahat ng Senador, pati yung judiciary, that there is something terribly wrong going on. And if need be, you file the necessary corresponding charges, anti-graft, kung sino nang palusot niya into its final form.